So hello guys, this is the video, the long-awaited video about the Magna Carta of Philippine House Workers. So without further ado, let's introduce you to the this law. This introduce you to the Magna Carta of Philippine Health Workers. So the Magna Carta of Philippine Health Workers is also known as RA 7305. So yung unang problema mo dyan is paano mo memorize yung RA 7305. So one mnemonic that I can give you is bilangin mo lang yung words sa title ng law. So bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right away you have 7. Tapos bilangin mo din yung number of letters in the first word. So the first word is the. So bilangin natin yung numbers of letters. 1, 2, 3. So you have 7, 3. Then 0 because that's a space. And then bilangin mo agad yung, okay, we have already the 0. Yung next letter, which is the Magna, ilang letters yan? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have RA 7305. Now, the second question is, anong ibig sabihin ng Magna Carta? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng word na Magna Carta? When you talk about Magna, that means great. Okay? The word Magna means great. When you talk about Carta, the word Carta means charter. Okay? So, another question is, ano bang ibig sabihin ng charter? Ano ba yung charter, sir? Charter means founding document. Okay? Founding document. So, the word Magna Carta of Philippine Health Workers means that the great founding document relating or in relation to the laws regulating public health workers. So, nakuha. So, another knowledge that I want to give you is that the Magna Carta was signed on March 26, 1992. Okay? March 26, 1992. So, hindi mo na kailangang i-memorize yan. Hindi yan tinatanong sa board exam. It pays to know, but it also, but I want you to realize na hindi tinatanong sa board exam yung mga fun facts or yung mga basic na memorizable knowledge. Ang tinatanong sa board exam is what does the law imply in relation to your practice? Yan yung tinatanong sa board exam. So, ang law na to, ang goal talaga, the main goal of this law is to promote the welfare public health workers. Yan talaga yung goal, the main goal of the law, the Magna Carta of Public Health Workers. Okay? And under this goal, there is, number 1, to develop the skills and abilities of those public health workers. Okay? So under this main goal, there is to develop the skills and abilities of those public health workers. Another goal that is under the main goal is to attract, or as the law says it, have those great abilities, join and remain in the government services. So yan. So ibig sabihin, gusto ng law na mag-attract pa ng mas maraming great abilities o yung mga talents galing sa workforce natin or para sa workforce natin. Okay? So now, how do you promote the welfare of public health workers? Now, this is where the discussion gets interesting. Bakit, sir? Well, when you read the whole document, the law, the Magna Carta of Public Health Workers, medyo to some extent marami siyang mga fillers, mga add-ins na hindi mo na kailangang fokusan dahil hindi siya kadalasan tinatanong sa board exam. So I want you to organize your notes in such a way. Okay? So this is my recommended organization of notes para sa pag-study mo sa law na to. WRS. Okay, when you talk about WRS, you are subdividing the law into the working conditions, the rights of the employees at tsaka salary. Okay? Salary recommendations ng employees or what the law says about the salary. So in this way, dito kaagad, makikita mo kaagad kung paano yung mga main points na kadalasang tinatanong sa board exam. Again, working, rights, and salary. And we'll discuss that later. Okay, so now you know about the goal of the Magna Carta, a brief history of the Magna Carta, at saka yung anong ibig sabihin ng Magna Carta. Okay, so when you're asked the question in the board exam, so ano ang primary, okay? What is the primary purpose of the Magna Carta of the Philippine health workers? Okay, based on our discussion just now. Okay, is it A, to establish the salary scales of health workers? Pwede, di ba? Pwede merong section doon sa Magna Carta na nagsasaad ng salary scales of health workers to protect. Okay, but the question here is primary. So the first thing that I want you to realize is to pay attention to the keywords that are included in the whole stem of the question. So ito yung keyword mo. Okay, the primary purpose of the Magna Carta. Although hindi naman tinatanong doon. Nung lahat ng purpose ng Magna Carta doon. Okay? So, now, B, to provide healthcare services in rural areas. Masad ba dyan? To protect the rights and benefits of health workers. Pwede din. Okay? How about D, to fund the medical research and development? Okay? Hindi. Okay? So, now you have three possible answers to the question. So, anong gagawin mo? Eliminate mo yung unlikely answer. So, unlikely answer is letter B, to provide healthcare services in rural areas. This is too broad. Okay, I mean, this is too broad in relation to the law that we're discussing. Okay, there are two possible answers: to establish salary scales, or C, to protect the rights. Okay, so now the question, the keyword goes into play. So the keyword determines the correct answer based on your elimination process. The best answer there is letter C, to protect the rights and the benefits of health workers. So nakuha. So kung magtatanong sa board exam kung ano ang purpose ng Magna Carta, it is mainly to protect the rights and the benefits of health workers in the Philippines. So nakuha. So thank you very much, and let's proceed to the next section.